Hey guys, how you doing? It's Andy. Check this out. So I was talking to my wife a little bit ago, and she thinks that I'm being a little bit too modest and I'm not explaining everything that we're going over in the seminar. So, baby?
Okay, so there is so much content here, you don't even understand. I'm just gonna go over some of the things we're covering, and you have to understand that this is an art. We're gonna go over everything from A to Z. Now, there's certain things that, like reviewing how to post cars, certain closes you've never even heard of, the banker bluff close, secondary closing on the pencil, positive equity program, pulling credit too soon and how that can affect your sale, doing role playing, setting yourself up for success, how to work cash down for the pencil, going over trade-ins and how customers deal with that. People want payoff for it, how you deal with that. They have a paid off car right now and they're getting payments. Phone training, how to ask for a cosigner properly. Tons of closes, presence of the U.S. close, payment closes, dealing with low credit customers, planning your day, setting yourself up for success, objections, tons of objections. My other half isn't with me. What's my interest rate? Can you get me the price on these 3 cars? How to avoid common mistakes that you can make as a salesman, and just go on and get the answers to the test. I don't see anything that I like. We're not interested in driving until we know the price. Tons of objections that we're gonna go over. This is my first stop. How to go over the meet and greet and everything in the road to the sale, but not just going over the road to the sale, but getting the answers to the test, asking the right qualifying questions, asking the right things and doing it the right way. There's tons of things, mindset things, going over thinking. There's so much that we're gonna go over. How to manage, how to go over your write-up sheet and how to use that as an art to set you up for the sale. There's tons of objections, tons of things we're gonna go over. This is just a little bit of it. We're just kind of organizing all of this stuff, but he's been selling himself short. Honestly, there's so much content here, and we're just kind of trying to cram it all in and giving it to you. So you're gonna get a book when you come, and you're gonna have all the information. So, he's just been not talking so much about the content, but there's tons here. So we can't wait to see you. If you have any questions, just email or text 918-210-0254 or the Elliott Group now @gmail.com.